What's up, everyone? Are you aware that countless online business owners waste money daily without even realizing it? I'm not talking about failed ad campaigns or poor inventory choices. I'm referring to something far more basic yet costly: shipping expenses. Check out this eye-opening statistic. Research shows that typical e-commerce entrepreneurs waste between 20 and 70% more than necessary on shipping. We're talking about hundreds, even thousands of dollars vanishing from your bottom line each month. In today's tutorial, I'll reveal the exact method to eliminate this costly mistake once and for all. Picture this scenario: you're managing your online business, orders are flowing in, and when it's time to fulfill shipments, your routine looks something like this. You default to your go-to shipping company because switching feels complicated. You spend valuable time browsing through 4 or 5 courier websites. Or even worse, you make a so-called questionable educated guess about which service offers the best deal. Here's the reality check. There are hundreds upon hundreds of shipping companies operating globally, each offering unique pricing structures based on destination zones, package specifications, and delivery timeframes. A carrier might offer rates that are 60% lower for your exact shipment requirements, but manually discovering this information would consume your entire day. EasyShip liberates you from this burden, instantly analyzing pricing from more than 550 global shipping providers simultaneously. If you're repeatedly selecting overpriced shipping solutions, these inflated costs either slash your profit margins or are passed on to customers, damaging your sales conversion rates. Before we continue, I want to be completely transparent. I've established a partnership with this platform because I'm confident it can significantly reduce your expenses. There's an exclusive link below this video that provides completely free access. Should you choose to upgrade in the future, it supports our content creation at zero additional cost to you. The service is called EasyShip, and what sets it apart from every alternative I've evaluated is remarkable. Rather than forcing you to research various carriers manually, EasyShip instantly analyzes pricing from more than 550 global shipping providers simultaneously. This includes industry giants like FedEx, UPS, and DHL, plus countless regional operators and niche services you've likely never heard of. Here's where it gets truly exciting. This isn't just a basic rate comparison. EasyShip has secured exclusive discounted pricing agreements with these carriers, enabling savings of up to 91% below standard shipping rates. This represents an incredible opportunity for any e-commerce operation that processes regular shipments. Let me walk you through the actual workflow. When processing a shipment, you input your package's specifications, including weight, measurements, and delivery address. In mere moments, EasyShip displays every viable shipping alternative ranked by cost, speed, or any parameter you prioritize. With EasyShip, you'll discover previously unknown options. Perhaps a local carrier can reach your customer's location at half the expense of major brands. Maybe an expedited service actually costs less than regular delivery for that specific route. EasyShip empowers you to make these informed decisions, boosting your confidence and putting you in control of your shipping costs. For international orders, the platform calculates complete landed costs, including customs duties and taxes, preventing customers from facing unexpected charges. This feature alone can dramatically improve cart completion rates and eliminate shipping-related complaints. After choosing your preferred service, label printing happens directly within the platform, eliminating the need to navigate multiple sites or manage various account credentials. Let's discuss the tangible impact on your operations. Money savings are the obvious advantage. Current users report cost reductions ranging from 30% to 91%. Consider a business processing 100 monthly shipments averaging $10 each. Even conservative 40% savings generates an additional $400 monthly, totaling $4,800 annually. Time efficiency is equally valuable. Instead of investing 10-15 minutes researching each shipment, decisions happen within 60 seconds. Processing 20 daily orders means reclaiming 3-4 hours every single day. Customer experience improvements round out the benefits. Offering diverse shipping choices at competitive rates increases purchase completion and reduces price-related objections. What impressed me most about EasyShip is its universal compatibility with e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and over 60 additional integrations. Implementation couldn't be more straightforward. Connect your storefront, synchronize existing orders, and begin shipping immediately. Their 3 5-minute setup claim proved accurate during my evaluation. Those concerned about software complexity can relax. The EasyShip dashboard is streamlined and user-friendly. You don't need technical expertise for effective utilization, making you feel reassured and comfortable with the platform. You may be wondering whether this sounds too good to be true. Honestly, like any business tool, it's not miraculous. Physical packaging and pickup coordination remain your responsibility. While discounted rates are genuine, they're limited to participating carriers. Not every option receives reduced pricing. Additionally, businesses shipping only 1-2 packages per month won't experience significant time savings. This solution excels with consistent shipping volume. This platform delivers maximum value if you're processing 10+ monthly shipments. Currently limited to 1 or 2 carriers, investing 30+ minutes daily in shipping administration, planning international market expansion, dealing with customer shipping cost complaints. Here's the deal, everything I've demonstrated is available for testing for free. EasyShip offers an entirely free tier that requires no payment information. The sign-up link is positioned below this video for immediate access. Connect your store, evaluate rate comparisons, and process actual shipments to witness savings firsthand. Their premium features are also available through a 14-day free trial period. The registration link is in the description section below this video. Whether you're launching your first store or managing substantial volume, investing 5 minutes to assess potential savings is worthwhile. Stop allowing another month to pass while overspending on shipping when the solution requires just a few clicks. That concludes today's breakdown. The sign-up link is below this video. If this guide provided value, please consider liking and subscribing for more software tutorials and technology insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.